Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ncert Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 8.1 of chapter 8, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. So our ninth question is, in triangle ABC right angle at B. So I have made these triangles. If tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the values of these two things. Okay. So we can see here sin A is needed, cos C is needed, cos A, sin C. Okay. So what we are going to do is, first we will find all these values and then put them in the required format. So tan A, so this is about angle A and this is about angle C. For angle A, this is our opposite side, right? So this will be perpendicular, this is hypotenuse and this is adjacent side, that is base. For sin C, this will be now adjacent, that is base, and this is opposite, that is perpendicular, and this is again hypotenuse. Okay. So tan A is given to us. So now let's find what is this ratio. Since tan A is 1 by root 3. So what is tan? This is perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is BC and base is AB. Okay. So now let's assume BC as 1K and AB as root 3K. Okay. So here BC is 1K, this is 1K and this is root 3K. Okay. So here also values will be same because length are same. So now first thing is we should find AC. So using Pythagoras, find AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So now AB is root 3K whole square and BC is 1K whole square. So root 3 square will be 3 itself, that is 3K square plus K square. So this is 4K square. Then what is AC? This is plus minus square root of 4K square. So ignoring negative value, we will have square root of 4 is 2. So AC as 2K. So AC is 2K. Here also you can write 2K. So now we will find the ratios that are needed to solve this question. First is we need sin A. So sin is ratio of perpendicular with hypotenuse. So this is for angle A. Perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is BC. So BC over AC. Okay. So what is BC in our case? This is 1K and AC is 2K. So we will cancel this and we will be left with 1 by 2. Second ratio needed is cos C. Okay. So this is angle C. So for this cos, ratio is base by hypotenuse. So base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So this is again 1K over 2K. So value is 1 by 2. Right. Next is cos A. So cos A for this triangle, cos is base over hypotenuse. Base is AB. In this case, this is AB. Over hypotenuse is again AC. So AB is root 3K. Over 2K. You will cancel them and this is root 3 by 2. Next is sine of C. Okay. Sine of C for this triangle. So sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this is AB. Over hypotenuse is AC. So AB is root 3K over 2K. So again K is cancelled. So this is root 3 by 2. Now let's check whether we need anything else in second part also. Cos A we have already calculated. Cos C already done. Sin A is also there and sin C is also there. If there is any extra ratio that is needed to solve any other part, you can find it here itself. Okay. So now let's find first part. This is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. What is sin A? This is 1 by 2 multiplied by cos C, again 1 by 2, plus cos A is root 3 by 2 multiplied by sin C, this is again root 3 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 4, so 1 plus 3 is 4 by 4. After cancellation, we get the answer as 1. So this is our first part. Now let's see the second part. This is what? Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Let's put the values. Cos A is root 3 by 2 multiplied by cos C. Cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A. Sin A is 1 by 2. Sin C is root 3 by 2. Okay. So this is root 3. 2 into 2 is 4 minus root 3. 2 into 2 is 4. So these are like terms with opposite signs. So these will be cancelled and our answer is 0. Okay. So I hope this question is also clear to you. So this is our 9th question. Now let's see the next one. So our 10th question is in triangle PQR, right angled at Q. This is what I have made. PR plus QR. So means sum of two sides is given to us. So we can write here PR plus QR is 25 centimeter and PQ is 5 centimeters. So PQ we can mark here, that is 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. So that means angle P is our target. Okay. But before proceeding, first we should find the length of all the sides of a triangle. Only then we can find trigonometric ratios that are needed. So let's see how to do that. So apply Pythagoras. So our hypotenuse is PR square. This is equal to base square, that is PQ square plus RQ square. Okay, so we have PQ as 5, but we don't know value of QR and PR. Okay, so what I can do is from this equation I can find value of PR because PR is here. Okay, so find value of PR from this thing, that is 25 minus QR. So what is the use of this? That now our equation will be reduced to one variable. So let this be 1. So from 1 I can use this value, that is 25 minus QR square. Yes, one more thing, this is a very important type of question of this topic. Okay, so be careful. So find value of PR from this. I have substituted it here. PQ is 5, so this is 5 square and then RQ square. Okay, so this is what A minus B whole square. So A minus B whole square is A square, that is 625 plus QR square minus 2AB. So 2 into 25 is 50, 50 QR. This is 5 square is 25 and RQ square or QR square one and the same thing. So I can write like this also. So how to do next? See, QR square and QR square are like terms on opposite side. If you shift them to same side, they will be of opposite sign and it will be cancelled, or directly you can cancel them. So now we are left with 625 minus 50 QR is equal to 25. Right? So keep QR term here and shift this 625 to other side. So minus 50 QR is equal to 25 minus 625. So 25 minus 625 will be minus 600. And on this side, this is minus 50 QR. So we can find the value of QR now. So QR is this minus 600 over minus 50. So minus minus is cancelled, 0 0 is cancelled, so 12 5s are 60. We got QR as 12 centimeter. Okay, so QR is 12 centimeter. Write it here. Next thing is we should find PR. And what is PR? This is 25 minus QR. So therefore PR equals to 25 minus 12. So PR is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay. So this is 13 centimeter. So now we have the length of each side of a triangle. So we can find any ratio. First thing is sin P. For P, first we should identify which is perpendicular or opposite side, which is base or adjacent side, and hypotenuse. Since this is 90, so this will be hypotenuse. This is our target angle. So this is adjacent side or base, and this is opposite side or perpendicular. Right? So let's find the values. That is sin P. So sin is ratio of perpendicular with hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? This thing. So this is QR over hypotenuse is PR. QR is 12. So 12 over 13. Okay. So this is value of sin P. So sin P is 12 over 13. Okay. So now let's see cos P. Cos is always ratio of base with hypotenuse. So what is base in our case? This is PQ over hypotenuse is PR. Okay, so cos P is PQ is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So 5 by 13. Right. Next is tan P. So tan P is ratio of perpendicular with base. Perpendicular is QR and base is QP. So value of tan P is QR is 12 and base is 5. I hope this question is clear to you. This is very important from examination viewpoint. I repeat what we have done. First thing is we should find the length of each side of a triangle. On the basis of given conditions, whatever is given to us, we have found the values of all the sides using Pythagoras theorem. After finding the values, we can find the trigonometric ratios. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's see the last question of the exercise. So let's see our last question. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First part is the value of tan A is always less than 1. So first of all, you can refer the table that we have made in the introduction video. From that table, I know that tan 60 is root 3. And what is the value of root 3? This is 1.732. And this value is greater than 1. So this means this statement is false. So what is the reason you will give? That is root 3 is greater than 1. Since tan 60 is equal to root 3 and this is equal to 1.732, root 3 is greater than 1. So our statement is false, that it is always less than 1. No, it can be less than 1 for some values and it can be more than 1 also. Second is secant A is 12 by 5 for some values of angle A. Again, refer the table and you will see that secant A or secant theta is always greater than or equal to 1. So 12 by 5 is 2.4. So this value can be possible for some random angle. So this statement is true. Third is cos A is abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. Is this true? No, because I have already explained cos A is cosine A. Okay, not cosecant. So this is false. This is cosine of angle A. Right? So fourth is cot A is the product of cot and A. Is it so? No. As already explained in the introduction video, cot and A has no meaning separately. Cot A is a single term. It's not a product. So this statement is false. And what justification you will give? Cot A is single term together, not a product. Okay, so fifth part is sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Again, you can refer the table that value of sin theta is always between 0 to 1 if the angles are considered acute. In higher grade also you can see that the maximum range possible for sin theta is -1 to 1, means sin theta can never exceed 1. Okay, so here 4 by 3 is 1.33. So since this value is exceeding 1, but this is not possible in case of sin theta, so our this statement is also false. And reason you can give is because this range you can mention -1 is less than equal to sin theta is less than equals to 1. This means that sin theta can have minimum value of -1 and maximum value of 1. So it cannot exceed 1. Okay. So with this question, our exercise number 8.1 is over. I hope you understood all the questions of this exercise. If you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the new exercise of this chapter. Thank you.